Let me also express my tremendous appreciation for Susie and Chris, the job you did. Susie, come here. Come here, Susie. Chris, come here, Chris. Susie likes to stay sort of in the back, let me tell you. The Ice Maiden, we call her the Ice Maiden. Come here, Chris. Come here, Chris. Susie likes to stay in the background. She's not in the background.
President-elect Donald Trump has appointed Susie Wiles, his campaign manager, as White House Chief of Staff, making her the first woman to hold the position. Trump praised her as his winning campaign manager, calling her tough, smart, innovative, and universally admired. He noted that Wiles played a key role in securing his recent victory. The Chief of Staff, a critical role, will involve overseeing White House operations, managing staff, organizing Trump's schedule, and coordinating with government agencies. Vice President-elect J.D. Vance welcomed the appointment on social media, calling Wiles a huge asset for both the campaign and the White House. In Trump's previous term, he had 4 chiefs of staff, including retired General John Kelly, who later opposed Trump publicly.
This was unexpected, but I just want to thank, obviously, President Trump for this journey. It was a great one, and he's a hell of a candidate, and he's going to be a hell of a great 47th president. And this team that we had, the best team, and, of course, even my boss, Susie Wiles, the best. Thank you.
Thank you, and thank you, Susie. Look at this. I've never seen her be shot before. Susie. They're great. Everybody up here is great.